Okay, first you need to click on this box to make all of these into squares. And you just kind of guess. And then you can add in more columns so it fills the space. Then you can make this one bigger for the problem and the answer. If you were going to have like a bigger word problem or whatever, you can merge these cells, which is this little button, and then make sure like your answer cells are merged to match. And then you can copy and paste this down here and it will do the same for all of them. So then put in your problem, then your answer. And then this turns into a date, so make sure you highlight all of these and go to this 1, 2, 3 and change it to plain text, and then it just like reads what's in there instead of trying to reformat it. And then I would like take whatever picture I wanted to do and like print this out and number it so I know exactly where my dots are going to go. But for now I'll just do something stupid. So like if all of these ones I wanted to be black, I highlight them and then go to Format, Conditional Formatting. And this is the cells that you highlighted. And then change this to Custom Formula. And then you do equals. This is where the answer is going to be, so it's B2. It's just like the first one of the column, so then like this 1/2 would be B5. So equals $B $2 because that's the cell, and that cell we want to be equal to 6, and make sure you put the 6 in quotes. And then down here you can change it to whatever color you want those to be. And then we can do the other part of the smiley face. So then you would do add another rule, change it to Custom Formula, equals $B $, and then this box starts at the 5th row, so it'll be row 5, and then that one we want to be equal to 1/2, and you gotta make sure you put that in quotes. And you can have each of these equal multiple colors, so if I wanted to like add a nose, and I only had 2 questions, you can add another rule, and you just say that this one is also going to be 6, so equals $B $2 equals 6, and this time like we can change it to purple. Oh, hold on. No, it's because we need the quote, sorry. Okay, and that's that.